Hello everyone. If you are writing a thesis dissertation on the research paper, you must have heard this from your guide or professor at least once. Your literature review is not up to the mark. But the truth is, universities really teach us how to actually write a literature review. What do most people do? They download 10 to 15 papers and read them one by one and write the paragraph by the paragraphs. Paper A said this, paper B said that. Wait, this is not a literature review. This is just a summary. In today's short video, I'm going to teach you from the sketch or how to write a powerful academically, robust, and clinically literature review. After this video, you will never fear a literature review again. So grab your pen and paper. Let's get started. The first step is define the scope of your topic. What mistake do many students make their topic to broad like education system in India? Now millions of the research papers exist on this. Which one will you read? This is the where you need to narrow down your topic. You need to ask yourself first, what specific aspects am I taking about online education system? Second, what is my target group? Rural secondary school student. What is my time frame? Post-COVID, meaning from 2020 onward. Now your topic become impact of online education on rural secondary school students post-COVID. This is a focus topic. When your topic is narrow, it becomes much easier to find the right and relevant research paper. Research and database utilization की बात करें. Research and database utilization की बात करें यहाँ पे. Let's see. Now let's move to the step 2, where and how to find research paper. Where and how to find research paper. Suppose I go to the Google Scholar. Do not write plain casual sentences here. You need to use keywords boolean like and or and or not. Okay. For example, online education and rural student and COVID-19. How to identify a good research paper? First, always choose a peer review journals or reputed publisher like Elver and Springer. Okay, Francis. Second, shortcut tricks is you don't need to read a 20-page paper entirely. First read its title, then the abstract, and jump straight to the conclusion only. If all three match your topic, only then include the paper in your main list. Okay, this is the 90% of researchers make a mistake. They read whole paper and forget them. You need to create a literature matrix Excel sheet. This sheet should have the 5 column like of author and year, who wrote it and when. Research objectives, what was its main goal, and methodology, what method was used, survey, case study, key findings, what was the conclusion. My conclusion gap, my own thoughts is there and flow and gap in this paper. Now understand the synthesis means. Summary means paper A said X, paper B said Y. Synthesis means both paper A and B agree that online education has increased accessibilities, but paper C proved that it is the negatively